Ever feel like your money disappears before the month even ends? Like, no matter how much you earn, it just vanishes. But you're not alone. And that's exactly why you need a budget. Hey, I'm Vincent. I've worked in finance for over 20 years, and I've seen this truth over and over again. You don't need to earn more, you just need to plan better. In this video, I will walk you through how to create your first simple budget, step by step. It's easier than you think, and honestly, it changes everything.
Step 1. Know your income. Start with what's coming in. List all your income sources, salary, side gigs, government payments, basically whatever lands in your account. Remember to use your after-tax income to keep it real. Step 2. Track your spending. Basically figure out where your money's going. For the next 30 days, track everything: food, rent, streaming, snacks, blah blah blah. Many banking apps nowadays should offer this feature. If not, you can use a spreadsheet. You'll be surprised how those little spends add up. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Break your spending into 3 categories. Needs, for example rent, groceries, and bills. Wants, such as dining out and Netflix. Savings and debt, such as emergency fund, car and credit card payments. This will help you see what can be adjusted. Step 4. Set spending limits. Now assign limits for each category based on your income. A popular rule is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving or debt repayment. Don't worry if your percentages aren't perfect. It's about awareness and control. Step 5. Review and adjust monthly. Your first budget won't be perfect, but that's okay. Review it at the end of each month. What worked and what didn't? Adjust and move on. The goal is progress, not perfection. Finally, creating your first budget is the first real step toward financial control. Because once you know where your money goes, you take back the power.
So, what's one expense you know you need to track starting today? Drop in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and share to your friends. And I'll see you next time.